Welcome to another episode of Kitchen Witchyn. Today we are talking about a fruit that I love, my family love, and has been enjoyed by my ancestors for a very long time. I'm talking about, I know for a fact, we've enjoyed this fruit for at least 200 years, probably more, but I know for a fact for at least 200 years we've enjoyed this. So I wanted to introduce this special fruit, okay? And this fruit is called Quenepas or Quenep. In English, this fruit is called Spanish lime. And if you live in a tropical region, it's usually sold in bags like this. Or you can go to a neighbor's house or friends and pull some off the tree. But I bought this outside and it's already washed. I washed it and it's in a bag. And so you just go like that. Now I have this large bowl because if my family knew that I had these, I wouldn't be able to make this video. And if I did, we probably would have like this much because they really enjoy this fruit. It's one of our favorites. Okay, one of the special things is I'm opening this, so I'll give you some information about Quenepas, like the medicinal reasons you might want to take this in. It has vitamin D, and vitamin D is of course great for bone health. It also improves the circulation. It has iron in it, and iron plays like a really good role in the production of your red blood cells and like the depletion of iron. And people that suffer from anemia or fatigue, things like that, this is a great addition to your eating habits, diet, daily routine. I don't really like to say diet, but just for conversation purposes, I'm going to say diet. Okay, so as you can see, this is what they look like. And when you're going to see brown, you're going to see bruising. That is perfectly fine. That just tells me they are ripe. So they look like big, even see here, this is a bushel. They look like big grapes, right? But the shell reminds you almost like the shell of a lime, but you know, texture wise, or lemon, but they are much thinner, okay? So what you would do is just pop one off. Look, this is how easy it is. You just twist and turn. And then you can take your nail or your teeth, but just for this video, I'm just gonna take my nail and you stick it in there and look, bam, okay? And you just take this off and you peel it off and then you can just pop it out, okay? Or suck it out, right? This is what it looks like. Oh, This one actually had two inside, so I'll let you see. That's why it was so big. Okay. The skin part is really fleshy and it's like really stuck to the seed. We gotta suck on it and you're gonna put it in the back of your mouth and then use your teeth. We're gonna flush out. It has a sweet and sour taste. And it's delicious. Okay, so we're gonna open up another one. So you can see how we do it again. I'm trying to get a regular size one this time, right? So bam, you have this here. Oh, it also, so we talked about the iron, right? All right. So it also has fiber in it, a high concentration of fiber. So this helps smooth move, okay? And we all want to be regular, so, you know, instead of going to the grocery store buying like, I don't know, fiber or Metamucil, things like that, grab yourself some Quenepa. It's delicious. It's traditional for many of us. It's tropical. And if a person is constipated, this will ease it and it'll make them feel better. If they're bloated or cramping and stuff, this helps your stomach, I'm telling you. Come back and let me know how it works. Also, another thing, this fruit, Quenepas, is known for like, well, maybe not, but it is known. The old people, the elders know, it helps like with mood swings, anxiety when it's that time of the month, ladies, or for your children. This is something that definitely can help ease their moods. So I don't know many fruits that have calcium, iron, fiber. I mean, this thing is just bursting with vitamins, okay? So do your own research. Like we said, everything that we offer here at Kitchyn Witchyn, I encourage you to do your own research. And we'll always enter in at your own risk. But my ancestors have been eating Quenepas for a very long time. This is just the way you take it off the tree and you eat it. I will upload videos in the future showing you how to make drink, alcoholic beverages, non-alcoholic beverages, utilizing Quenepas as traditionally taught by my elders. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, this is sweet, but a slightly sour, and not sour like the lime, but a slightly sweet and sour fruit. Is very cooling, very refreshing, and I hope that you'll try it. And if you do, please comment below if your families are eating this, if you've eaten this fruit, Quenepas or Quenep. What does your family call it? Do they call it Quenepas? Do they call it Quenep? Do they call it Spanish lime? And how does your family eat it and utilize it? Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching another episode of Kitchyn Witchyn. Be back soon.